In this video, I'm going to introduce to you the major representative reports in Accounting module. If we go to Accounting 1, Reports menu, firstly we can see Cash Report menu. Cash Report is where you can verify your company's funding increase and decrease during the search period. If you search in Cash Report, at the top section you can check for today's fund status, how much cash has increased and decreased, and how much is today's balance. Also, you can verify how much amount has increased and decreased in your checking accounts and their current balance. And then at the bottom, you can see the details of your funds increase and decrease. Also, if you click Search button in the upper right corner, there's a Display Approval Line option. If you select it, you can display the approval line at the top right side of the report. This approval line, you can register it in Accounting 1, Setup, Approval Line for Print menu. So if you need to print out the cash report as a hard copy and get approval, you should register the approval line first and then include it in the cash report printout. And then next, moving on to fund statement. You can use fund statement to verify the increase and decrease of your cash on hand, bank account balance, receivables and payables by each customer vendor, and the current balance. So if you want to check at a glance the balances of each bank account or the outstanding and unpaid amount by each customer vendor, you can use this report. Next, monthly income statement. If you select the month you want as the search date, you can verify your company's monthly sales, cost, and expenses at a glance. So please use this report if you want to see your monthly revenues and expenses. And then here you can see a sales purchase book. Here you can see your sales and purchase transaction details by each tax type, and you can also see the total amount during the search period. So if you select the search period as the previous month, you can check at a glance your company's total sales and purchase amount of the previous month. Finally, you would also use Customer Vendor Book frequently. Customer Vendor Book 1 and 2 are where you can verify the details of receivables, payables, receipts, and payments by each customer and vendor. You can view separately either only receivables or only payables, or you can view all as well. In this report, you should designate a customer or vendor here in this field. And then if you search, you can see by each date the balances of sales and receipt of the designated customer in one screen. So if your customers ask for the transaction details for payment, you can send them this Customer Vendor Book. So in Accounting 1 module, after you set up your basic codes in Setup menu, and then after you enter in your transactions as vouchers in Input menus, you can use this Reports menu to verify various reports, statements, books, and ledgers. So please use this menu and find the information you need.